Alright, I'm here with Lane Grogan after a 22-0 victory over Hoosick Valley to move on to the Super Bowl at Gillette Stadium. You guys had a tough loss last week in the Berkshire County Championship to Mount Greylock. What was your motivation in practice to, get back up and be ready for today?
Since the beginning of the year, we said we wanted to go to Gillette in the Super Bowl. County Championship was just bonus. We got to be in it. No one expected us to be in it. Came out, play hard. They topped us there, but we came here to play even harder. We focused all week on this game.
Yeah, so this game, I noticed you guys, tough weather conditions, you guys decided to keep the ball on the ground a lot. Ethan Wells was a monster out there for you. Was just the weather why you guys decided to go to the run game more? Or?
I think it was more of it was working for us, so we decided to just stay with it. I mean, you don't want to go throwing around, maybe have an interception. So running worked, so we just stayed with it.
Yeah, and how about the running definitely worked for you? 3 touchdowns on the game. What was the key to those big runs out there?
At halftime, we were talking what plays could possibly work. I threw something out there, coach liked it, our line liked it. They came out, executed, all my blockers, it was just great. So I just followed them, got to open field.
Yeah, so you're excited to go to Gillette Stadium?
Words can't describe it.
And so this week, you guys just going to keep working hard and stay focused?
Yes. We're going to find out who we have. We're going to focus on that. Just practice hard all week. Just have some fun.